Hello friends, I am your instructor Sajjad Khan, and today I am going to teach you how to live stream on YouTube using OBS. So let's get started. In order to live stream on YouTube, you should have a YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, and once you are on your channel's page, the next step would be to click on this create a video or post icon from the top right side. Click on that and then click on go live. So basically we have to create a stream settings first on YouTube. So make sure that this stream option from the left menu bar is selected and then create new stream. So create a title, just add any title, let's say my test, and then set the privacy, public, unlisted and private. So for now, just use the unlisted for testing purpose. You can add a description if you want and add a category. So my category is education, so this is fine. And then you can also schedule it for later time. And then you can, from here you can upload a custom thumbnail as well, which will be visible on the YouTube page before the start of the event or before the start of the live streaming. And this is helpful when you have scheduled it for later time. And then you have to select the audience. If this video is made for the kids, mostly select no, and that is pretty much it. Click on the create stream button. Now from this window, it is asking us connect streaming software to start preview. So now we need to connect this YouTube streaming to a streaming software, which is OBS, okay? Open Broadcaster software, and we are going to use that. You can use StreamYard, Streamlabs as well, but in this demo, we are going to use OBS. And then if you scroll down, we need this key, auto-generated key. It is called stream key. So we need to copy this from here and paste in the OBS. And it is very important, if you scroll down, that from stream latency, select the ultra low latency for the fast speed streaming. It is very important to click on the ultra low latency. And then from here, you can also click on this share button, and then you can get the URL of the live streaming on the YouTube, which you can share with the people, okay? So now we have to set up the OBS. So if you don't have OBS installed, go to obsproject.com and download the OBS for Windows or Mac. Once it is downloaded and installed, open the OBS. So this is the OBS interface. In the center we have the canvas. So whatever we are going to add here in this black area is going to be displayed on the YouTube live streaming. On the left side we have the scenes panel, and then we have sources panel, then we have audio mixer, and then we have transition, and then controls. So by default there will be one scene already there. First step is go to the sources panel and click on the plus icon and add window capture, okay? Window capture, click on that, and you can name this capture. For example, I'm going to name it PowerPoint, because I'm going to live stream PowerPoint presentation, and then click on OK. And then from this window, drop down, select the PowerPoint or any window you would like to live stream. So I already have the PowerPoint open in the other monitor, so I'm going to select this. So this is the PowerPoint, and then there is a presentation slideshow as well. So I'm going to use this slideshow of the PowerPoint, and then capture method, use Windows graphics capture. Okay, and then click on OK. Now here basically I'm using 1280 by 720 canvas. That is why it is showing too large, because my monitor resolution is 1600 by 900. So right click on this and then go to transform, and then click on fit to screen. It is going to fit on my screen. So we have captured PowerPoint presentation from my other monitor. Okay. Then if I want to, let's say I would like to add my camera as well, my webcam. Again, from the sources, click on plus icon, and this time select video capture device and name it anything. So webcam, click on OK, and then from this dialog box, click on this device drop down and select the camera you would like to use. You can connect multiple cameras with the OBS. So select let's say I'm going to select HD webcam, which is my default cam. And then from this resolution, FPS, select the custom. And then from this resolution, select the resolution, because I'm using 1280 by 720, so I'm going to use that. So the benefit of this is that it is going to fit perfectly on the canvas, and then just click on OK. So this is my webcam capture. If I want, I can resize as well from dragging from the handles. Okay, and also I can move it to wherever I want on the screen. Okay, I like it here. So my PowerPoint presentation is set up. On scene 1, I have webcam and PowerPoint. Okay, two sources. And you can also rename the scenes. So right click and then rename. So this is my PowerPoint scene. PowerPoint presentation. Okay. And then you can also add multiple scenes, and you can add different sources on different scenes. So I'm going to add another scene. So from the scenes panel, click on the plus and then name this scene. So I'm going to, let's say I'm going to show how to install OBS, for example. So this is going to be my OBS website. Okay. And on this scene, I'm going to add from sources, I'm going to add OBS browser, which is already opened in my other monitor. So click on plus and then again select window capture. And then name this capture, which is OBS browser. Okay. So from this window, select the OBS. It is already selected, so I don't have to change anything other than this capture method. So from the capture method drop down, select the Windows graphics capture. Okay, and hit OK. Again, right click, go to the transform and click on fit to screen. So on the OBS scene, I have OBS browser. Okay, and on the PowerPoint, I have PowerPoint window capture and webcam capture. And in the same way, you can add multiple scenes and then you can add separate softwares. For example, you can add Microsoft Word or any other software on the sources. Okay, and I'm just going to add another scene for I just want to show, let's say, full size webcam. Okay, so this is the webcam scene. So name already exists in the sources, so I can rename. So webcam full, for example. Okay, and here I'm going to add the webcam. So click on the plus icon and select the video capture device. Now, by the way, you can add multiple cameras. Okay, but I just have one camera, and so I am just going to use the existing. You can also use existing video capture, existing camera. So this time click on the add existing and select the webcam, which is already inserted in the OBS, and click on OK. So on this scene, which is webcam full, I'm going to show my full cam, and then on OBS I'm going to show the OBS screen, and on the PowerPoint I'm going to show the PowerPoint. So this is what I'm going to teach or a live stream on the YouTube. So I have to be prepared. So all these files should be opened and everything should be working. Next, I'm just going to show you some settings. So click on this settings, and then from here click on stream. So basically we are going to copy the stream key from the YouTube and going to paste here. Okay, and then from the output I'm going to use 1280 by 720, bitrate 4000. Okay, and here in the tune select the zero latency. This is very important, so that your stream will be faster. Okay, and then on the video link I'm using 1280 by 720 as my base canvas resolution, and same resolution for the output, and I'm using 300 frames per second. Okay, and from these hotkeys we can assign hotkeys to our scenes. So let's do that, so that it will be very easy to switch between different scenes. So here I have scenes. So PowerPoint is my first. So for the PowerPoint I'm assigning the 1 key, and on the OBS I'm going to assign the number 2 from the keyboard, and for the webcam I'm going to assign the 3. So this is to switch to the scene. So if I want, let's say, to show the webcam full, I can just press 3 from the keyboard. If I want to show the OBS screen, I can just press 2. Okay, so just click OK. So before adding the stream key into the OBS, so I just want to tell you what you can live stream. So from the sources panel, if you click on plus icon, you can see that you can add a video capture device, which is a camera. You can add multiple cameras as well. You can add text. You can add scene inside a scene. So this is a nested scenes. Then you can add any video. So you can play the video as well. If you have pre-recorded video, you can play and live stream that video as well. You can have image slideshow. This is very useful for teaching as well. So for example, from your PowerPoint presentation, you can create images like JPEG or PNGs, and then you can use this feature to live stream on YouTube. You can add any image. You can show the game. Display capture means you are just capturing the whole window, whole display, not just window. You can add a color background. You can add a browser window as well, and then audio and audio captures. Okay. Now let's go back to the YouTube and add the stream key. So from this streaming window, just copy on this streaming key, copy, and then go back to the OBS and click on the settings, and then go to the stream and paste the stream key here. Paste and click on OK. So now our YouTube and OBS have been connected. So next, click on this start streaming from the OBS. Start streaming. Okay, and then go back to the YouTube streaming page, this page, and it is telling us that a connection is excellent. And then on this page we are going to preview our live stream. So this is what I have in my OBS, and I can see my PowerPoint presentation, which is scene 1, and then my camera as well. But we are not still live on the YouTube. So in order to go live on the YouTube, click on this button, go live from top right side. So it is going live. So now we are live. It is showing us okay live. And now next question is how to watch this streaming on YouTube. As I said, click on this share icon and copy the link. Okay, and then in the new browser, paste, enter. So this is our live streaming coming from the OBS. In the OBS, currently we have the PowerPoint presentation open and the cam, which we can see here. Also, if let's say there is another option to watch this streaming, so go to your channel, and then you can click on this video link. If it is not visible here, then you can click on the your videos from the left side of your channel page. So this is the live stream. You can open from here as well, or you can use this link, and you are going to share this link with other people as well, so that they can watch the live streaming and they can also chat with you from this window. So you can control your stream using the shortcut keys for the scenes. So this was the scene, the first scene, which was PowerPoint, and if you press 2 from the keyboard, then it should show the OBS screen. There will be some delay on the streaming, but now you can see the OBS screen. And if I press 3, which is just my webcam, then I should be able to see my webcam. So I pressed 3 from the keyboard and I can see my webcam. Okay, and then 1 again, to show the PowerPoint, and then you can, from your PowerPoint file, you can play the PowerPoint slides. So mostly it is good if you have 2 monitors. That would be helpful. And in this way you can live stream on YouTube, you can teach online, you can open any software and demonstrate to the students. You can switch between the different cameras. So when you would like to end the stream, just click on this end stream button from the YouTube and then click on end again. By the way, this stream will be available on your YouTube channel. If you want, you can keep it and make it public, or you can remove it. It's up to you. And then go back to the OBS and then click on the stop streaming. This will end the stream from both sides, from YouTube and from the OBS. If you're using OBS first time on the Windows and you try to capture the screen and you get the black screen, okay, then you need to go to this website and then just follow these instructions and your problem of the black screen will be resolved. Okay, I'm going to add the link of this and all other information in the description below. So I hope this demo will be helpful if you would like to live stream or if you would like to live teaching on YouTube. You can also live stream on Facebook using the same steps. You just need to get the stream key from the Facebook page and then add in the OBS. Please subscribe, like, comment and share my video tutorials with other people. Thank you very much.